Hello everyone, welcome back to Carl is on it. Today, this is the part 2 version now of the iDrive controller install. First of all, before we start the video, I want to say a big thank you to my bro Jerry for lending me out the drill. And also, previous video we didn't have the hairdryer to do the wrapping, so I want to say a big thank you to my sweet one named Cari who lent me her hairdryer. It wasn't the pink one, but you know what, it will do the job as always. So big thank you to those two, and also a big thank you to Steve, the absolute legend, who was the one who gave me the iDrive controller. He basically 4D printed it for me. So without further ado people, let's get on to the video.
First you're going to clean this area here, clean inside here, put some alcohol. Spent too long waiting for this now. Now we're going to make it official, people. This is going to be the first right-hand drive custom iDrive controller install in the whole, probably of the world. So let's make it happen. If you want to do something, people, don't think too much, just do it. Just do it. Let's go, let's mark this spot. There we go. Now I'm going to bring my pen. X marks the spot because iDrive controller goes right here. And if you look from underneath, that's where it's landing. It's landing right into there. Right into there. So X marks the spot, people. X marks the spot. Let's go. H. You ready? Let's wear some goggles just in case we don't get some plastic eyes. Oh, let's put the goggles on. Okay, let's go. Ready when you are, mate. Ready when you are. Woo! Hole has been created, people. Let's see, will it fit? Will it fit? Will the wire fit inside? Hey! Will it fit? Hey, brother. Hey, brother. Okay, what about this one? Okay, this one is surely not going to fit inside, but this was the main one, to be honest. If I force it in, would it fit? It fits, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. It fits. It's gone in. It's gone in. Look at that. Hey. It has gone in. People, we have liftoff. We officially have liftoff. The wire is inside. So what I would do is get this wire, right? And I would bring this wire all the way through. All the way through. Keep coming. Let me just, and it'll come right into here, because that's where the center console is from here. You come right into it like this. That is it. So, but I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna tuck it on the side so it's smooth, so it doesn't, you know, interfere with anything else in between. So it'll be like this, nice and smooth like this. I have plenty of wire here, and I can keep it to the side like this, and it will plug right into that bit where it says X1 key, and job done, people. That is it. Get the job done. So now, main thing. Well, not really main thing, that was actually the main thing to actually put that in, because now I can put the whole thing back and be done. Obviously we always take things to the next level. So now we're gonna wrap it. So people, I'm gonna unbolt this, and wrap the iDrive controller and the center console. Let's get it. There is 10mm sockets, both of these sides here. I'm going to unscrew these. Ooh, it's coming out. People. I need to get the other piece as well, actually, to be honest. There we go, it's coming out. It's coming out, people. It's coming out. This is gonna be wrapped nicely. I don't even care anymore. No more time is getting wasted this year. This year I've had enough. I've had enough of just sitting down and thinking too much. You think too much, you don't go anywhere, I promise you. You think too much, you will not go anywhere. I will tell you that for myself. I will personally tell you that. So people, the next bit now, there's 3 tabs here, 1, 2, 3, and there's 3 tabs here, 1, 2, and 3. What you need to do is, we need to pull out this one from here. It's gonna take a little bit of finesse nice and, hey, just like that. Done. Job done, people. Now I can pretty much remove this now. Take this out, unwire that. There we go. So get this out like that. I can officially put this back down now. Oh my days, so many stuff taken apart. Woo! Made my floor quite dirty. But now I can officially wrap over this piece now, which is nice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the screws, because Steve put screws behind this. If it wasn't for him, this video would have been made possible. So big shout out to Steve. Absolute legend you are, Steve. Thank you very much for this. So I'm going to unscrew this now. I'm going to begin wrapping with this first. People, look at that. It's almost there. Just gonna tidy up a bit and then this will be done. Let's go. It's done. Just gonna tidy up the inside now, and I'm gonna finish up the other pieces. People, when I screw this back in, you'll see what it looks like. Steve, you are a legend. I'm gonna say it again, and I'll continue to say it to the end of this video, because truly you are. Thank you very much for helping. And anyone else who wants to help with future projects as well, feel free to send me an email, and you can get things going. So right now, this is just looking absolutely amazing. Yeah, took some time to get this wrapped and it's looking amazing. Hand to the other pieces. People, it is now done. It is now officially done. Right, on to the next piece. People, look at that. Done. Absolute clean. Probably one of the best ones. Final piece and I'm done. Right, people. Now there's actually a few more things I need to finish off. So number one is this thing here. This is the gear gaiter. Now in order to remove this trim, this leather trim around the gear gaiter, there are a few tabs. So the two tabs you pull out are these two there, one there and one there. You basically just push them back in. Let me just show you now. So what you do is you push them in like that, push them in, and you can begin to lift it. So you can just lift it like that and it just comes out perfectly. So now we have more space to wrap around. You can see it's you know, this, if we wrap this, it'll just renew the car. I'm not going to put this back in with every other piece wrapped. It'll just be inconsistent. So let's keep that consistency, keep that flow. Let's go. People, It's done. Look at that. Absolutely clean. Absolutely clean. Brand new. Let's go to the last piece. This is probably the cleanest one I've done. Like back and front, it's the cleanest one I've done. All the edges is literally like perfect. So yeah, this is another piece, completely wrapped, full carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber. That's amazing. Anyway, so I'm gonna put all the pieces together now and then put it back into the car. Let's go, people. All pieces are now done. So this is one piece, this is another piece, and also this is the one and only final piece. They've all been done and wrapped. So now what I'm going to do is install them all together. So let's go. So people, with this now, we need to actually clip these two, this bob here and that bob there, into these two holes. So I'll show you now. Push them through like that. Push them through. There. 3 of them. There's 3 bobs. 1, 2, and 3. Once you push all 3 of them in like that, then you click them into place. There it goes. 1, 2, and is there meant to be a third one? Nope, no third one. So now that's in place now. It's not going anywhere. You can open it. Perfect. Still opens perfectly. No damage there. Then we're going to now attach this onto this area here. So make sure you thread the wire through here, and then you push this in. There, it don't go anywhere. And now you basically push this into the hole like that, and then it should. There we go. It slots itself nicely in place. You push it in now to make sure they're all secure. All the tabs are in place. Next, what we're going to do is just flip this around. There we go. Yeah, one in that hole there, that hole over there. So let's get that into place. You get yourself a T20 screw. Screw them 2 back inside. Next, we're going to flip it back around now. There we go. Flip that back around. Put this underneath. And now, the final piece of the jigsaw puzzle, people. People, it is officially done. Officially done. Look at that. Once I connect all this back. Oh my days, look at that. Perfect. He just fits perfectly. Perfectly. That is it, people. So what we're gonna do is now, we're gonna take some of these pieces off so then we can put the car back together and then finish this video. Let's go. Let's go, people. Let's do this.